Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Fusion and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down and tap on More and localize the build number, which is at the very bottom of the list. So now all you have to do is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Now enter developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can disable USB audio routing, we can show layout bounds and pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got the Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. Simply tap on the switcher to activate the option and tap on it again to turn it off. And here we've got the options without the switcher, so all you have to do is to tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top, which is pinned to the top of the screen, and you can see that most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.